Hello, Steven. This is how you're supposed to install the mod. I already installed it for you, but this is the file that you have to put in your .jar. And I'm going to show you how. This is what I'm going to put in your flash drive. This little folder right here. So yeah, let's get started. This is just glitching out. You type in run in your start menu. Then you type in %app data %. Click OK. Then this should pop up. You click .minecraft. Then go to your mods. Well, there's gonna be a folder here called mods, and if there isn't, do create new, and then make a folder and call it mods. Then, in here, there's a folder here called put in mods. Put this file in there. Then resources. There's a file here that says put in resources. Click that, and then it says new sound. So drag that in, and then it might tell you to replace. Just click skip if it says to replace. And I will demonstrate that, I guess. Mine says to merge because there's some I don't have yet, but that's because there were some mods that I deleted. But it says for you to replace them. Don't. Just click skip. Then go out, and then now it says put in bin. Your bin is right here. I already did this to try it, but you have to take out this folder right here that says Minecraft. You just dump it in the trash. Then click on bin. Oh wait, no. Click on bin. Then drag your Minecraft.jar and put it in here. Then X out everything. And when you click play Minecraft, except the only bad part about this is the mod is not updated to 1.4.5. Well, 1.4.7. That's the bad part. It's only a 1.2.5, which kind of sucks, but what you gonna do? I just noticed that because I haven't installed this since I think 1.2.5, and it's lagging right now just because I made this world and no chunks have loaded. I assure you my computer is pretty good, and it could just be because I did use the Genesis bomb just because it's my favorite. So I'm sorry if it's loading. I mean, if it's lagging. But I have no idea why it's lagging. It could be because if you go into your options. Oh wait. If you go in your options, there's not a lot of stuff because you're 1.2.5. So I'll just turn it tiny. When I turn it to tiny, it lags even more. So I have no idea what it's doing. But just to end this really fast, I don't know why it's doing that, maybe because I've been using my computer too much. But here you go, here's all the bombs. And down here is all the items, and if you want, I might make you a video on how to use all of them, but I think you could do that yourself. Like, you could learn yourself. It's actually in 1.3 also. But the 1.3 one, it would not work. I tried it. I did the same thing I did for the 1.2.5. Would not work. So I'm sorry. But in that one, they do have more options, so it might lag less. But I have no idea. And if you want, I could install you too many items. But I'll just leave that up to you if you really want it. But I don't think you need it because everything's right here. And sorry if I'm rambling, but it's just what I do. But all those are the bombs. And I don't think you need too many items, so I'm not really gonna do it because I don't want to mess with the files because I've been trying this for a while. And so I guess that's it. I still have to find a flash drive. Hope I find one. And there's your file. I hope you learned how to do it. And bye.